I'm here today to show you the differences in performance between the Spa fire hydrant shower head and three well-known name brand competitors. These three shower heads I purchased at various box stores and hardware stores. I've not modified anything, I've not changed anything. This is exactly how they came out of the package. We're going to run these in the shower at the exact same water pressure. This is a single lever valve, so I have no way of changing. It's either on or off, so I can't lower the water pressure. So when it's on, it's on. This backdrop is simply some construction paper that we've put on the back tile wall so that you're better able to see the shower spray. Let's start off with a name brand competitor. This is a non-adjustable shower head. We'll screw that on hand tight, just like that. Turn the water on, and there's your spray. It's a shower, but it's very soft. Notice there's nothing in the middle. Now, as I put my hand close to it, notice there's not a lot of splashing. Again, it's a shower, but it's very soft. All right, let's turn the water off. Take that off. And we'll go to the second shower head which I purchased. And this shower head is actually substantially more expensive than the fire hydrant Spa shower head. It's actually double the price. Let's turn the water on. Adjust the spray. Again, the shower is not going too far to the back. You're getting a shower, but again, it's a very soft spray. Notice also the quality of the spray. This is called a rogue spray. It's a single spray by itself, which is typically indicative of a not terribly high quality shower head, even though this costs double the price. Again, we'll put our hand in it. Notice it's a soft spray. Let's turn the water off. Take this off, and we'll go to the third shower head I've purchased. This shower head is also more expensive than the Spa shower head. I purchased this at one of the large box hardware stores. We'll just turn that on like that, and again, notice the spray. We have a shower. Nothing in the middle. It is soft. This type of spray makes rinsing the hair, getting the shampoo out, very difficult because there's not a lot of velocity to that spray. Now, let's go to put on the Spa fire hydrant shower head. Just hand tighten that on there like that. Look at the difference. First of all, we have water going all the way through. Notice that the shower goes all the way to the back. Look at the power, even as my hand is more than 2 feet away. Look at the power as I'm putting my hand close to it. There's water everywhere. Now the fire hydrant Spa is adjustable. There's the massage. Again, I can't even hold my hand through it, it's so powerful. If you like, there's the combination spray right there, where you have a nice pulsation in the dead center, a nice full spray on the outside, and again, even with the two sprays operating, plenty of power. Let me just do that once again with one of the more expensive, well-known name brand competitors. We're just going to put this on. Again, we're running everything at the exact same water pressure. This valve is either on or off. It does not allow for adjustment. So I cannot control the water flow. Okay? Look at the difference. And I'll turn this to the massage as well. Okay? Again, nothing in the middle. Look at the, you're getting a shower, but again, a spray like this is not very wide. You're not getting full coverage. You're not getting a lot of velocity. You'll get wet, but you'll certainly have a hard time getting the soap off your skin and certainly the shampoo and conditioner out of your hair. And I'll put the spa back on one more time just to show you the differences in performance. All I'm doing is screwing this on, hand tight, just like you should do with any shower head. You shouldn't need to go more than hand tight. Okay? Look at the performance. It's going all the way to the back of the shower. A full spray, full wide coverage. Look at the overspray as I'm bringing my hand into it. There's your combination spray, spray and massage. A lot of people prefer this spray. And then of course, your massage by itself. Look at the power of that. There is actually a flywheel inside there that's generating that pulsation. And now we'll just go back to our regular spray. At very least, what we're seeing here, when we're comparing the fire hydrant spa shower head to 3 of its name brand competitors, is at a minimum 100% increase in the velocity and the quality of the spray. You can see that for yourself. That's a shower that will get you clean. That's a shower that will get your hair clean, get the shampoo out of your hair, get the conditioner out of your hair, the soap off your skin. And the water pressure we're running here is moderate. Even if you have low, extremely low water pressure, you're going to receive the best shower head possible.